Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay Unemployment. Unemployment is an economic term. Employment means occupation. So, unemployment means absence of occupation. When the people are out of work, they are said to be unemployed. This is a problem which we are facing today in our country. Unemployment is a social evil. It spells starvation, disease, and death on its victims. They have no education, no culture, and no concern for right or wrong. Corruption, crime, and sin of all kinds prevail in a society where population is unemployed on large scale. Politically, unemployment breeds discontent in the masses. Votes are sold and bought. Revolution and mob violence are the result of unemployment. People busy in finding out jobs for them cannot pay attention to their rights and duties as citizens. The causes of this unemployment are four. First, our system of education is wrong. Young man hates unusual labor. He is good for nothing except reading books and dreaming of high posts. Secondly, our country is not an industrial country. We cannot absorb many of our young men in factories because they are not educated technically. Thirdly, in our country, a few privileged persons are keeping all the key industries to them. The educated young men and common men have neither the capital nor the opportunities to try their luck in business. Lastly, in our country, birth rate is very high. The resources of the country are not enough to maintain such a large population. People are more and jobs are few. The result is unemployment. The problem of unemployment is very great, and as such, it is not easy to solve it overnight. But much can be done to mitigate the evils of unemployment. Our young men may be encouraged to take to cooperative farming. Vocational training center should be set up. Family planning should be followed to check the high birth rate. It is only after a long struggle that we will be able to solve this problem.